In this tutorial, I am going to show you very easy skin retouching way. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Begin by duplicating the image. Then go to action menu. You can download this action from the description box below absolutely free. If your action icon is not showing, go to window, then action. To load action, click here, then load action, then locate your action, then select and load. Now select blemish check and click on this play button. You can rename this layer. Now create a new layer. Then choose healing brush tool. Then current and below. Now hold Alt key to select clear skin. Then paint on blemishes area. Don't increase brush size too much. Repeat this process until all blemishes is removed. Now delete blemishes check layer. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Then change the blending mode normal to vivid light. Then press Ctrl I to invert. Then go to filter menu. Then high pass. Adjust like this. Again go to filter menu. Then blur. Then Gaussian blur. Adjust like this. Now create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to invert. Now choose brush tool. Decrease flow. Now smoothly paint on skin defect area. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Go to action menu, then frequency separation. Choose 8-bit because our image is 8-bit. Click on play button. Open this folder. Create a new layer in the middle of high and low frequency layer. Now choose a soft brush. Decrease opacity. Hold Alt key and pick white skin color and smoothly paint on dark area. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Go to filter menu, then camera raw filter. Now adjust setting as shown. Now using a pen tool, select lips. Then right click, make a selection. Now create a curve adjustment layer. Adjust like this. Now increase feather. We are done. Thanks for watching.